Okay, what we have here is the electric field strength or intensity 0.1 meter. Your R is equal to 0.1 meter. That's 0.1 meter. Okay, the next thing you need to do here is, okay, distance from a point charge is this. So you have been given your electric field to be 9 times 10 raised power 4 Newton per coulomb. What is the magnitude of the charge? Your charge is now equal to nothing. Okay, your charge is now equal to nothing. So now the next thing you need to do right now is for you to use the formula. Using the formula. What is the formula? The formula is that E, which is electric field, is equal to KQ over R square. K is a constant which is equal to 9 times 10 raised power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So the next thing now is for you to substitute these values. By the way, before you even substitute, you are asked to find Q. So make Q the subject, and that will make it to be ER square over K. I can equally take this to standard form. Since I have this in standard form and here is also in standard form, so I can equally take this to standard form, and it will be equivalent to 1.0 times 10 raised to a power of minus 1 meter. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So in this case, you can now substitute these values for E, which is E is equal to 9 times 10 raised to power 4. Okay, times R. What is R? R is 1.0 times 10 raised to power minus 1. Remember there was square. So I'm going to square this. All divided by, what's my K? 9 times 10 raised to power 9. See? So I'm going to approach this with the standard form. Okay, my 9 will equally cancel out my 9. What I have here now will be, I have a base here, or I'm not going to go that way. See what I'm going to do? I'm going to open this bracket. So if I open this bracket, I'm going to have something like 10 raised to power 4 times 1.0 raised to power 2 is still the same to 1.0. Okay, now times 10 raised to power, this will be minus 2. I'm breaking down this for you to get me well. All of our 10 raised to power 4. So I'm going to focus on this. Okay, now I have my 1.0. I have 10 raised to power 4 here and 10 raised to power minus 2 here. So now that it will be equivalent to times 10, picking one base. The base is 10. Raised to power 4 minus, now multiplications losses plus. So if I add my plus to minus 2, I'm trying to break down so you get me well. Okay, trying to break down so you get me well. All of our 10 raised to power 9. That's the power of 9. Okay. Now in that case, what you need to do next here is equivalent to 1.0 times 10 raised to power minus, plus minus is minus. So 4 minus 2 is raised to power 2. All over 10 raised to power 10 raised to power what? 10 raised to power 9. So that's 10 raised to power 9. That's 10 raised to power 9. So the next thing you are going to do furthermore, or the further what you are going to do here is That's 9. Okay, you have your 1.0 times 10 raised power 2. Division law says minus, so you do minus 9, because 10 and 10 are the bases and they are the same, so you pick one. So 2, division law says minus this, so you are going to have 1.0 times 10 raised power 2 minus 9 is minus 7. That's how it is being done. And your charge is measured in column. This is how this is being done, in case you're not with your calculator. But it is as simple as ABC. I'm sure you understand the workings. So all I want you to do for me right now is for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then share the video.